Alright, welcome back to the 10-foot styrofoam kayak. I've already flipped it over, so what I've been doing is kind of slow and tedious, but I want to drop the camera down a little bit. It's taking a while for it to dry. All the pieces that are sticking up, like the little burrs along here, I've come along here and taken off the bigger points. And then after I do that, I'll take a palm sander and I'll run around all the transition parts, you know, where I overlapped it or where it stops right here. So when I come back with the new or next layer and it, let's say it overlaps here, there won't be a big old hump there. And look, I mean, yeah, you can take a lot of liberties with these things, and yeah, aesthetics is one thing, but another thing is your burlap's not going to lay down nice, because see, if I push it right here, it kind of sticks out. That's because there's a little bit of a lump there. So I'll run, I hit that with a sander with probably about like an 80 grit, a palm sander. And I'm gonna take what scraps I have left, and I'm just gonna put them on drag points. Like, let's say, back here. Just put a bunch of it in, cut it up, and just keep putting it right all along here. And just kind of beef it up for, so like when you grab hold of it and drag it up on the bank, there's no sense in wasting any of it. You might as well just make it count. So when I come back, I had to order some more burlap because I thought 3 yards would be enough. It really takes 6 yards, especially on a 34-inch wide kayak. And you can see it's pretty wide. And plus, if you think, okay, it's only 34 inches wide from here to here, you got to measure along. Let's start right here. Along here, up along there, back down, along there, and then back up, back down. That increases your width. Like, this is a big wrinkled piece of paper. When you went and smoothed it out, it would be probably 6 inches, 8 inches wider than 34 inches, because you got 2 inches up. Well, actually, if you count this as like an inch there, and there's an inch and a quarter, and there's right there is about 2 inches, and so on and so forth. So yeah, it takes probably 6 yards of burlap or 2 full-size bed sheets. So I'll see y'all in the next video. Thanks for watching, and leave a comment and hit that like button.